Hey guys, so this is my favorite work bag at the moment. It's from Sabatier, and I just like to share that I have this Skull Panda from Pop Mart, and this is the Wednesday version. So it's really cute, and I love the black and white aesthetic. So this fits a lot, and I just want to share what's inside my bag. So very quickly lang, because I haven't done a review of this bag since I got it. So this is a more structured version of the bags that they released. So this is croc embossed. And what I have inside is my life. So this is the pouch that carries most of my things. So I have here my wallet, my alcohol, my medicine, and some chargers, etc. So that's where I put them all together. So I put them here so it's easy for me to change bags. So lipat ko lang siya. I've been using a different wallet nowadays. So I have this wallet on chain. So it's easy for me to go out for lunch and not have to bring, my phone, my wallet, my credit card holder, etc. In one big bag. So this has been very convenient. So I have here my credit card holder, my cards, ATM, money, my car keys, powder and lipstick. It is only now that I appreciate the value of wallets on chain. The people who did that first knew what they were doing. And of course, what we have inside are my journal. So I use this for work. Of course, the matching ball pen. My card holder. So it also matches my journal. My ID. Charger for the laptop and my actual work laptop. So yeah, that's what's in my bag. So you may be asking if it's heavy. Yes, it is very heavy. The bag on its own has a little weight on it with all of my stuff, the laptop, the leather journal, leather wallet, etc. So it's really heavy, but I don't mind. When I get to the office, I just put everything on my desk. Yeah, that's the only time that I carry them, from my car, from the parking to the office, and office to the car. So when I go out, I just bring my wallet on chain and I'm good to go. So yeah, that's what's in my Sabatier.